Hey YouTube, today I decided to make a YouTube video on batch tutorial, a batch tutorial. I haven't made any videos in a long time, so I decided I'd make one. This one's just the kind of the basics for beginner, kinda. If you're gonna watch this and say, oh, this kid sucks, his videos probably suck because he doesn't know how to do this. This is just basic. I'm gonna make some other videos. They're a lot more advanced compared to what I'm gonna show. So, um, So to start off, you're always going to want to have echo off. All this does is makes it so it doesn't say stuff like when you open up a CMD and like you say echo high. It says I said echo high, but it'll make it so it doesn't say the directory and all that. Next, I'm just going to show some of the basic commands. Echo. If you want it to say something, you just type echo, and then the sentence, so, hi there. Oh, no, my bad. Pause, this is very important, you'll need it a lot, is for making it so the user needs to press a button to continue on. Hi there. It echoed and it says press any key to continue. And then I pressed a key and it stopped. That's because there's no code left for it to read, so it just exits. Now variables, these are pretty simple, they're not too hard. They seem kind of advanced at first, but nah. So the set command is, say if you were to set, that's the variable ASDF to blah blah blah, then it would, if you did, the variable would be that. But there's also set /p. There's other things too, but /p is for a user to type something, so that would be, so whatever they type, and then let's see here, echo, and then to make the variable be part of what it's doing, just you put a %, and then the variable name with a % after the end. And then I'm going to put pause, and then I'm going to put set ASDF equals ASDF. I don't know why I'm doing ASDF, it's just easy, I'm not going to do some other stuff. And then echo %ASDF pause. Sorry if I don't go into too much detail about it. It's kind of, to me, it seems kind of self-explanatory. If you don't get it, you could, I don't know, I'll put something in the description. Okay, so I need to type something. I'll just say hi. Hi. Press any key to continue. ASDF. That's because it was set to ASDF. One thing though, I put set ASDF equals ASDF with a space there, so it made there be a space. I'm kind of, so sadly, I'm kind of used to doing spaces, but I need to fix that. So now some other commands to learn. I guess a basic one would be title, and then title the file, so batch file, just whatever. It doesn't have to be the actual file name, just whatever you want it, whatever you want it to be. See, administrator batch file. Now, a few other things. Would be, oh yeah, goto labels. This is important. So, I'm going to teach set/a also. So I'm just going to say set equals 1, and then echo, then the variable. You don't have to do ASDF, just whatever you want it to be. And then, actually, I forgot something. Now this would be the goto label. It's just a colon and then the label. So I'm just gonna do top because it's the top pretty much. And then I'm gonna do set/a. This is where you're gonna learn set/a. And then ASDF equals percent ASDF percent, then a plus sign, and then it's space, then a plus sign, then another space, and then 1. Well, that's just gonna add it by 1. Then we're gonna do go to top, so that's gonna add 1. But I'm also gonna put I'm also right here going to put a pause, and right here I'm going to put a this is really important too, CLS. It's pretty self-explanatory. Once I explain it, it's not self-explanatory. I mean, you'll get it quickly. It clears the screen, so it'll make it all a black screen again, or just whatever color it is. I'll teach you colors in a little bit. So if I save that, I get the feeling I did something wrong, but no big deal. 1, 2, 3. Every time I press a button, it goes up. So if I just hold it down, it just rapidly climbs. That is all I can think of. Besides, color. Now, color is kind of hard to remember them all. Each color is a letter. You're not actually going to type red. It's going to be like A is green, and like 1 is blue and all that, and then 0 is black. So I want it to be, but you can also change the background. So instead of just having 1, you'd have a background and the foreground, which are the letters. Instead of normally it's black and then black background, white foreground. So this would make it 0 would be the background, which is black, and then A is the foreground, which is the letters. So the A is green. So if I were to do echo high, actually no, I'm gonna do echo green, and then a pause. Green. Okay, one last thing, then I'm gonna end this. I'll have a lot more in the next tutorials. And probably I'll get better at doing these tutorials, and it'll have more detail. A greater than sign. Basically what this does is it puts the result of a command into a file, like normally a text file. I use it to like implant whatever you type into a batch file, which that's a bit more advanced. I'll teach that later. But also what's most commonly used for is if you type NUL, it won't go into any file at all. It will just go into NUL, which won't pop up anywhere. It's not doing anything. What it does is it makes it so the result won't go anywhere. It won't even appear on the screen. When you do this, when you do the greater than symbol, it doesn't appear on the screen. And it makes it so it doesn't say press any key to continue. So I'll watch this. See that? But there's that little flashing line there, but that's not as ugly as press any key to continue. Alright, so that's all. I'm gonna do another one again. Like I said before, I wanted to upload this because I deleted all my videos because, well, it's a long story, but I wanted to make another video. So, yep, see you next video.